Alright guys, today I received my first shipment. Second one is coming on the way. Today or tomorrow I'm gonna receive them. But this is the first shipment. I'm gonna start from this. I ordered a lot of 6x9s and 6.5, the best speakers on the market and the best sellers on the market. Best rates on the market also, 4.5 on the Amazon and on the eBay also, like 4-star and the 5-star reviews. Only the the 1-2 stars is they couldn't fit, or they cannot install it, or the product was damaged, something like this. This comes with damaged box, but I hope it's gonna be speaker is gonna be live and everything's gonna be fine. The reason why you're watching this video, you at the market, you want to buy some of 6x9s or 6.5 speakers, and also like me, you cannot find nice quality video over there. Like it says how the speakers performance, how the bass test, and the tweeters, all that stuff. That's why I decide to make some video for you guys so you enjoy it. So from beginning we have Pioneer tweeters, all right, and all the tests I'm gonna run my Rode microphone. So this is the high definition microphone. The sound quality, I hope it's gonna be enough for you guys to judge which one is better, which one is worst. So I have two tweeters. This is DS18 Pro tweeter. This is huge. I'm gonna do unbox. Also I'm gonna show the inside everything. So this is the same company, Pro series, right? 480 watt maximum and 1.5 inch voice coil. So this is the mid-bass, mid-range speaker, right? It's gonna run with the tweeter. So we have a 6.5 cheap speaker, and this is very nice rated. It's a lot of people bought that. This is Pioneer, my favorite speaker. This is the mid-range, mid-bass speaker. So we'll see, it's a 500 watt max, and we're gonna test also this, how it's gonna be performed against. This is a two with $80, $20 each. This is $35 each. So I have another 6.5 Rockford Fosgate here. This is two-way. I have two different 6x9 Rockford Fosgate, R1, both everything the same. The box, the power outputs also the same, but one is two-way. You see, you don't have a tweeter here, and another one, it was a three-way with the the built-in tweeters. So another Skar Audio here. This is PAX 6.5. This is the expensive, I believe this is the expensive one. Yeah, we're gonna see. This is the mid-bass speaker. Infinity Kappa. You got a lot of guys ask me to compare the Infinity Kappa with the other speakers. Here we have, guys. So we're gonna compare this Infinity Kappa with a bunch of Rockford Fosgates, JBLs. I have a JBL Pro series here, 6.5. So we're gonna compare this guy with the mid basses and one cheap, and with the Rockford Fosgate also, right? I have another Skar Audio here, also 6x9, but I don't know, box is like way smaller than these speakers. This is the Infinity. Oh, this is the JBL Pro series, and this is the cheap speaker, CERWIN Vega or CERWIN Vega, how you call it, 350 watt. Tweeters is big. Rate is also very good. Like a lot of people likes this. When you read the reviews, like a lot of people say, oh, it was very good, all that stuff. And this was 35. I don't remember. I put the prices, all this, and I put the links on the description. So if you wanna purchase a speaker, you can go ahead and purchase. This is the same, the model with this guy right here, with the tweeters. You see the location, tweeter location, everything. So this is the 6.5. I'm waiting what Infinity Kappa, this guy 6.5 also I ordered it, so it's gonna be next batch or next shipment, and another bunch stuff. Here's all the amplifiers, big boxes, a bunch of amplifiers. So I'm gonna test everything step by step. If you don't, guys, to my channel, definitely subscribe it, so you're gonna see every single one. I'm gonna test with the cheap one with the expensive, expensive versus expensive, bullshit versus good, bad versus that. So, and after watching, you guys, you know, the comment on the bottom, so which speakers you guys running and how they performed. Let's start it. So this is Skar Audio. This is the grill. Nothing different than others. And the speaker itself, I'm a big fan of Skar Audio, the subwoofer, but we'll see how the speaker will perform. You have a filter here. You have a huge tweeters like Rockford Fosgate and another guy on the back. How's it? CERWIN Vega, right? So this is the Rockford Fosgate. This material is, I don't know, is the paper, but I don't think so. It's paper, but this like looks decent. The magnet is good. We're gonna see how we're gonna stand up with these other guys. Video, we compare Skar Audio with the CERWIN Vega or the CERWIN Vega. $32, $50. RMS power outlet the same, the looks design the same. I pick all the, you know, the best sellers on the Amazon and the eBay, and the best, you know, the ratings. So a lot of people put the 5 stars, and when you read the, you know, 4 stars, like a 2 stars, they have issue only with the installation. So here we're gonna demonstrate how's the sound quality. Actually, I'm using high microphone, so make sure you guys put your headphones and you listen on the quality speaker, so you know how the difference between them. And the comment below which one you guys running and which one you want to buy, and ask any questions. So I install them. I'm running on the amplifier both. As soon as I'm gonna click one of these, so this is for Skar Audio, this is for CERWIN Vega or CERWIN Vega. So let's do it. First music. Not lucky music, so I'm gonna put guys a better sound. So all the music's like a speaker test. Yep, this sounds like a 3-way speaker. You hear more details on this one and the more balanced. This one, of course, okay speaker, right? I'm not gonna tell, you know, the worst speaker, but it's this more balanced speaker. I like that one, how it sounds. So now which one I'm holding, that speaker is placed. If I'm holding this speaker. Oh my god, $32, $50. There is no big difference between this speaker and this speaker, but definitely if I buy, I'll buy this one, right? Not this. I don't like this the mid-range, how it sounds mid-range, like little I don't know, its mids is like a little higher, but you know, the lows, the bass on this one, the bass and the tweeters is much you know, balanced. I like how this one sounds. So let me play the next song. So CERWIN Vega's mid-range is like a mid-bass speaker, right? That's why it's like a little, you know, the louder mid-range. If you listening a lot of vocals, like a voice, guitars, definitely it's gonna be the better speaker for you. If you listening trap music, rap, all, you know, the bass tweeter, then definitely get the Skar Audio. So let me put some electronics. Hear that? The mid range is a lot higher on this one, so it sounds like the punchy. The mid bass is punchy, and you know the mids is higher than this guy. As I say, this one sounds like a JBL $100 speaker for $50, and that's it. You're gonna be enjoying that. See that, as I say, like for the guitars, the vocals, you know, the human voice. This is better speaker than this. $32, the good speaker. $50, more balanced speaker. This is gonna be good comparison with the JBL, with this guy. It's gonna be next video. Definitely, guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna play some music now. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Comment, let me know what's going on. And don't forget to subscribe. You see that? So that's it. I'm sorry I cannot play your Justin Bieber music, you know. We're gonna do next video tomorrow with different speakers. Thank you for watching. Bye.